Are you tired of constantly misplacing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag, your ultimate solution for keeping track of what matters most. This tiny but mighty Bluetooth tracker harnesses the power of Apple's vast Find My network to help you locate items with unprecedented ease. With precision finding, thanks to ultra-wideband technology, you'll be guided directly to your lost item, seeing the exact distance and direction right on your iPhone. Setting up your AirTag is incredibly simple, just a one-tap process, and it's instantly paired with your iPhone, ready to go. Don't worry about spills or dusty environments either, as its IP67 water and dust resistance means it can handle everyday adventures. What truly sets AirTag apart is its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem, offering a private and secure way to find your belongings using millions of Apple devices around the globe. Whether you're a traveler, a busy parent, or simply someone who wants peace of mind, this essential gadget is a game-changer. Click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your AirTag 4-pack today and never lose another important item. For anyone seeking the best electronics tracker in 2025, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have tech investment.